हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम राधा एंड आई एम द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ मिस राग। आपको पता है कि मैं आज आपको इंग्लिश का क्वेश्चन आंसर कराऊंगी जो बिल्कुल सटीक और आसान है, जिससे आपको याद करने में थोड़ी भी परेशानी नहीं होगी। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्लास 9th, सेकंड चैप्टर ययाति। 1. Which is the golden period of life, childhood, youth or old age? Give reasons for your choice. Answer. Youth is the golden period of life. This is the period when a man works for himself or for the country. 2. Why does the man want to remain always young? Answer. A man always wants to be young, because this is the age when one can enjoy this life in various ways. I consider youth as the golden period of life. This is the period when a man works for himself or for the country. In this stage, a person assumes the role of a lover. B.1.1. 1. Who was Emperor Yayati? Answer. Emperor Yayati was one of the ancestors of the Pandavas. 2. How did Yayati become old? Who cursed him? Answer. Yayati became prematurely old for having wronged his wife Devyani. Sukracharya cursed him. 3. Was Yayati devoid of sensual desires? Answer. No. Yayati was not devoid of sensual desires. 4. What was the reply of his eldest son? Answer. Yayati, eldest son, replied that if he took upon himself his old age, women and servants would mock at him. So he could not do so. 5. Why did he become angry? Answer. He became angry as his 3 sons had declined to do as he wished. B.1.2. 1. What are the symptoms of an old man? Answer. In the old age, strength and beauty are destroyed. His face wrinkles, his hair becomes grey, his speech falters. He has to seek the help of others even to keep his body clean. These are the symptoms of an old man. 2. Who was Puru? Did he accept his father's proposal? Answer. Puru was the youngest son of Yayati. Yes, he gladly accepted his father's proposal. 3. Sensual desire is everlasting. Whose thought is this? Answer. This is Indian ancient thought. This is Yayati's thought here. 4. Why did Yayati resume his old age? Answer. When Yayati realized that sensual desire cannot be quenched, he took back his old age and went to the forest to live a life of austere. 5. Do corn, gold, cattle and women satisfy the desire of a man? Answer. No, corn, gold, cattle and women do not satisfy the desire of a man. B.1.3. 1. What was Yayati famous for? Answer. Yayati was famous as a ruler devoted to the welfare of his subjects. 2. Why did Yayati call his sons? Answer. Yayati found himself suddenly an old man, but was still haunted by the desire for sensual enjoyment. So he called his 5 sons, hoping that one of them would bear the burden of his old age and give his youth in return so that he might enjoy his life. क्या तुमने अभी तक चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दिया या नहीं? नहीं किया तो अभी कर लो, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर तुम्हें फ्री में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ साथ चैप्टर के भी वीडियो मिल जाएंगे। 3. What did he say to them? Answer. He piteously appealed to the affection of his sons and asked one of them to exchange his youth with his old age so that he might enjoy his life in the full vigor of youth. 4. Which son agreed to give Yayati his youth and take his old age? Answer. Puru, the youngest son, agreed to give Yayati his youth and take his old age. 5. Why did Yayati go to the garden of Kubera? Answer. Yayati went to Kubera's garden to get more sensual satisfaction with an Apsara maiden because his desire could not be launched on the earth. C.1 Long question answer. 1. Why did Yayati become prematurely old? Why did he dislike it? Answer. Yayati became prematurely old by the curse of Sukracharya, his father-in-law, having wronged his wife, Devyani. Yayati disliked it because old age destroyed beauty and brought on miseries. He wanted to enjoy the desire of sensual enjoyment in the full vigor of youth. That was not possible in old age, so he disliked it. 2. In order to enjoy the pleasures of youth, Yayati wished to take the youth of one of his sons. Was he right in doing so? Explain with the argument of your own. Answer. Yayati became old due to curse. This was not good, that brought him miseries. Everyone has the right to enjoy his life vigorously, but wished to take the youth of one of his sons for his sake and send the son in miseries was not good in any way. As an old man, Yayati should accept as truth because no pleasure can quench the desire. 3. Write in your own words the responses of the first 3 sons to their father's request. Answer. When Yayati asked his sons to exchange their youth with his old age, the eldest son said that the women and servants would mock at him. The second son declined the proposal by saying that old age destroys not only strength and beauty but also wisdom, and he was not strong enough to do that. The third son opined that an old man cannot ride a horse or an elephant. His speech is faltered, his plight is helpless. 4. How did the fourth son respond to his father's appeal? How would you have responded if you were the fourth son? Answer. The fourth son begged to be forgiven, as this was a thing he could by no means consent to. An old man has to seek the help of others even to keep his body clean, a most pitiful plight. No, much as he loved his father, he could not do it. If I were the fourth son, I took pity on him. I would speak to him politely and did not use hard words at least. 5. Why did Puru agree to give his youth to his father and take his father's old age in the bargain? Did he do the right thing? Answer. Puru was fifth and last son of Yayati, who had never yet opposed his father's wishes. He moved by love and agreed to give his youth to his father. He took his father's old age in the bargain. He could not see his mighty father begging for anything and relieved him of the sorrow of old age and the cares of state, to be happy. Yes, as a son he did the right thing. It was his duty to protect his father. 6. Is it right for a father to make such a request to his sons as Yayati did? Answer. No, it is not morally right for a father to make such a request to his sons as Yayati did. He should have accepted his old age gracefully and ruled his kingdom more and more wisely. 7. Were the 4 sons justified in refusing their father's request? If yes, give reasons. Answer. Yes, the 4 sons were fully justified in refusing their father's request. I think every individual has the right as enjoy his share of pleasure, who wants to become an old man in his full youth. None. The old age destroys beauty and brings on miseries, and it is needless to describe the misery of vigorous youth suddenly plighted into old ages, so the 4 sons rightly to refuse their father's desires. 8. What lesson do you learn from this story? Answer. The story Yayati tells us a very good lesson that youth is the best time of life. It is full of beauty, strength and sensual pleasures. This is the period when a young man can do for himself or for the welfare of the country. But it also tells us it is in vain efforts to quench desire by indulgence. Sensual desire is never quenched by indulgence, any more than fire is by putting ghee in it. No, the object of desire, corn, gold, cattle and women, nothing can ever satisfy the desires of man. So mental peace and balance are the only remedy which beyond likes and dislikes. Such is the state of Brahman. Radhe Radhe. Apna ख्याल रखना.